Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to find templates on Instagram. And before we begin guys, please ensure that you watch the video to the very end so that you do not make any mistake. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Let's begin guys. Open Instagram app and then swipe the screen to your right. Then click on Reel. Then click on gallery icon on the bottom left. Then as you can see on top there, we have camera, drafts and templates. Now click on templates. Now here is where you can find all the templates that you may use. You can see them, you can scroll and see them and choose the one that you like and the one that you would like to use. Now I will use this one. Just choose use template. And then you can add your media, the one that you will use on your reels. Now choose from these options that are down here. And then you can choose your media. Select up to 5 media. Then click next. Now you can see guys, and then after you've select your media, you can just click next and post your reel. Guys, that's how to find templates on Instagram. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.